a boss on IG, but she give me a nice deep choke.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring this WKCURLY hair wig. It's their 18-inch curly wig. All the links to this wig will be in my description box, so you can check that out. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my baby hairs. This video is going to be a dedicated baby hairs tutorial because I just want to be able to come back and look at how I be doing my baby hairs because sometimes I forget. But all I'm doing here is trimming them with this eyebrow razor. You can find this eyebrow razor at your beauty store. I'm trimming them so they can have a little more natural feel. And if you want to get some baby hair ideas, I do recommend you going to Arrogant Tay Instagram page. That's where I get inspiration from because his baby hairs are so perfect. Like, he does baby hair so perfect, it's amazing. That's all I'm doing here is just trimming them a bit just to make sure that they're looking as natural as possible. Then I'm going in and I'm kind of like sketching it out to see where I want them to be. Also, make sure that you're using the finest tooth comb because if it's not fine enough, you're gonna be so pissed because it's not gonna be like swooping the baby hairs properly. All I'm using is some Got To Be gel, and I'm gonna use that Got To Be gel just to put it at the base of my baby hair. So you can see right here I'm putting it at the root, and then I'm using it to swoop, and when I'm swooping I'm following with my finger. So basically I'm swooping with the comb and I'm chasing it with my finger just to make sure that it's like molded down. So that's all I'm doing right here, and that's just making sure that the glue is being pressed down and it's not being like just, I don't know. This just helps me make sure that my baby hairs is how I put them. Like, it lays it in place. So make sure you're following with, like when you put the comb, make sure you're following with your finger. The video is very self-explanatory, but I just want you to know that on both sides of my head, I put 3 swoops, and that's just the one at my temple, the middle area, and my sideburns. And sometimes I do one at the top. If I'm doing straight hair, I most likely wouldn't do one at the top, but with curly hair, I always put one at the top of my forehead. So that's all I'm doing right here. And just make sure that you're swooping it with your fingers, and you can always go back in and fix it up if you feel like it's not right. Just use some mousse that's gonna soften it back up, and then do it again. Keep in mind, guys, it's just a wig, so you can always do trial and error and restart. Like, it's not permanent, so you could always start over. So if it's not looking how you want to, do it over. Do not get frustrated, because I got frustrated before a lot too, because it's not gonna come out the same every single time. So you don't want to frustrate yourself, and just keep trying. I also forgot to say, I did lay this wig with my Got To Be spray, and I just didn't put it in the video because this is a baby hairs tutorial, but I did lay the wig with Got To Be spray, so yes.
Tom makes beats.
This is for my lady and my friend that's she's not a ghost you.
Okay, so right here, I'm paying attention to detail, and I'm just removing like little pieces of hair just so everything can be seamless. So that's all I'm doing. So there's no little like spaces, not really spaces, but there's no like gappage between the baby hairs. I don't know if you guys notice what I'm doing right here, but basically I'm just trying to make sure everything is flowing and looking as natural as possible. So now that we're done, all we're gonna do is use our elastic band. I have a big roll of these and I just cut them into long pieces, and this is really good because it gives your it gives some type of tension, so it really melts that into your skin. I leave it on for 10 minutes, and then I'm just showing you guys how beautiful this hair is. The links to this hair will be in my description box. This hair is amazing. It's minimal shedding, and yeah, I really like this hair. This wig, I love how it's low luster actually. And just so you guys know, if I don't like a certain type of wig, you will not be seeing it on my channel. Like, there's too many wigs that I sent back or I just threw away in the trash and not made a video about it. FYI. Do you guys see the back of my head? But anyways, I could have sewed that down if I wanted to, but my hair is not in proper braids to be sewn down. The thing I put my hair up with is a wire headband. You can find it on Amazon. That was super easy. Right here, I'm just showing you guys. Normally, I would just pull little pieces out like this, and I would just trim them, and that would be the little baby hairs in the back. But for the most part, the back looks really good. If it's sewn down, you will be unclockable, but you can see my cap right there because I don't care. But yeah, this is basically it for this video. All the links to Westkiss hair will be in my description box. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you try your baby hairs. If you did, leave that in my comment section.
The little pretty girl you a boss pan IG, but she give me a nice deep choke. All when you put her in her